Hey there. Glad you came back to listen to another daily goodnight story. As you already finished the last activities of the day, don't forget to connect your phone to the charger and set the timer so playback stops automatically. We'll check your pillow, get comfortable, and relax while listening to today's story. Once upon a time, in a magical forest nestled near a towering mountain range, there lived a young boy named Lucas. Lucas was an adventurous spirit, always eager to explore the wonders of nature. His heart overflowed with kindness, and he believed that every living thing had its own special magic. Lucas spent most of his days wandering through the lush greenery of the forest, listening to the whispering leaves and the cheerful songs of birds. He loved the feeling of the earth beneath his feet and the scent of wildflowers that filled the air. One sunny day, as Lucas ventured deeper into the heart of the forest, he stumbled upon a hidden grove. To his amazement, the grove was bathed in a soft, glowing light that made everything look enchanting. He felt a tickle of excitement in his chest as he stepped into the mysterious place. As soon as Lucas entered the grove, he noticed something magical. The air around him came alive with tiny lights flickering and dancing. It was as if the grove had been transformed into a twinkling wonderland. Lucas blinked in astonishment as he realized that he had discovered a gathering of fireflies. The fireflies, with their delicate wings and shimmering bodies, flitted around him in a graceful dance. Their tiny lights illuminated the grove, creating a magical spectacle. Lucas couldn't help but smile in awe and wonder as he watched their mesmerizing performance. As he sat down amidst the fireflies, Lucas felt a warm and peaceful energy wash over him. It was as if the grove itself was alive, radiating love and harmony. The fireflies continued their gentle dance, their lights flickering in rhythm to a melody only they could hear. Lucas listened closely, trying to understand the message the fireflies were sharing. Their soft buzzing seemed to form a secret language, whispering stories of friendship, unity, and the importance of cherishing the natural world. In that moment, Lucas realized something extraordinary. He discovered that just like the fireflies, he too had a special light within him. It was a light that could bring joy, comfort, and hope to those around him. Lucas felt a deep sense of gratitude and responsibility for this precious gift. As the night settled in, the grove grew darker, and the fireflies' lights shone even brighter. Lucas knew it was time to say goodbye. He stood up, turned to the fireflies, and with a sincere heart expressed his gratitude for their magical presence. "I promise to carry your light in my heart," Lucas whispered to the fireflies. "I will use it to spread kindness, to protect the forest, and to remind others of the magic that lies within us all." With that, Lucas bid the fireflies farewell and made his way back through the forest, carrying their light with him. From that day forward, he shared his knowledge and love for nature with others, encouraging them to appreciate and care for the world around them. Lucas taught children and adults alike about the importance of kindness, respect, and living in harmony with the natural world. The Firefly Grove became a place of wonder and inspiration, visited by people from near and far. Lucas guided them through the grove, explaining the delicate balance of nature and how every living thing played a vital role in the ecosystem. The grove became a symbol of hope and a reminder that each person had a special light within them, just like the fireflies. Lucas's teachings and his dedication to protecting the forest left a lasting impact on the hearts and minds of all who met him. As you close your eyes tonight, imagine yourself in the magical Firefly Grove, surrounded by the gentle glow of their lights. Let their enchanting dance fill your dreams and awaken your own inner light. In your dreams, you join Lucas on his adventures through the forest. Together, you explore hidden trails, climb tall trees, and listen to the whispers of nature. Lucas teaches you about the importance of caring for the environment, protecting the animals, and appreciating the beauty of the natural world. You witness the incredible diversity of life in the forest. From playful squirrels to majestic deer and colorful birds, you learn about the delicate balance that exists in nature and how each creature has a vital role to play. In your dream, Lucas introduces you to Elderwood, the wise old sage of the forest. Elderwood shares his knowledge of ancient trees and their wisdom. He teaches you how the trees communicate through their roots, supporting and nourishing each other. Together, Lucas, Elderwood, and you create a special sanctuary in the grove, where animals can find shelter, plants can thrive, and people can come to learn and be inspired. The sanctuary becomes a hub of conservation and education, a place where people gather to learn about the wonders of nature and their role in preserving it. In your dream, you and Lucas spend days tending to the grove, planting new trees, and spreading seeds of love and kindness. You see the forest flourish under your care, becoming a haven for wildlife and a source of joy and tranquility for all who visit. As the years pass in your dream, you see the impact of your efforts. The Firefly Grove remains a beacon of magic and wonder, inspiring generations to come. Lucas's teachings continue to be passed down, and the love for nature spreads like wildfire. You wake up from your dream, feeling a deep connection to nature and a renewed sense of purpose. You realize that just like Lucas, you have the power to make a difference in the world. You pledge to carry his legacy forward, nurturing the environment and sharing the beauty and importance of nature with others. And so, as you embark on your own adventures, remember the tale of Lucas, the Firefly Grove, and the wonders of nature. Let it fuel your passion for the environment, ignite your imagination, and guide you on a journey of kindness and stewardship. For the magic of the Firefly Grove lives on in your heart. Good night, and sleep well.